Shenandoah River Visitor Center, it is a visitor center, not unlike the Artisan Center in Southwest Virginia, except it is purposely just for this park. When we went and visited the site, it's just a phenomenal site. You drive through the park and you go through this kind of winding road up on the mountain, and then you come to the edge and you walk onto this site that they showed us where they wanted to build this visitor center. And it's kind of a nice site, and all of a sudden you go to the edge and you look over and it's just like, well, it must have just been like God looking down on the earth, because what you look in this valley, and this Shenandoah River is just going through it, and it just looks like this little bitty creek, you know, and it's just cattle grazing in the bottoms and all the mountains, and it's just really quite beautiful. So they wanted to put this building where that site could be captured, and that's what we did. We sloped the roof down toward the ground. It's all a shed roof down toward the ground on the back side, and then we split it and open it up where the entrances are into the building that kind of welcomes you in. But then it's not until you get into this building and you walk to the far side of that window wall of the exhibit spaces that you see this wonderful valley and the Shenandoah River. So the building was very much set up for that to happen.
In a visitor center, a state park like that, you really want it to be a showpiece. It's going to be situated on that spot overlooking the river. It's got lots of glass in it, and of course the first thing that comes to mind with that is you're going to have a lot of windows. It's going to be burning up energy all year long. So we looked at it from the beginning between the engineers and the architects to come up with a building envelope design that was really energy efficient.
One of the things we're doing there is in the toilet rooms that will be heavily used since it's a visitor center, and it's going to be on a well system. So we got to pull water out of the ground to serve as a public water supply. We're using very low water use fixtures. It doesn't matter what kind of plumbing fixture you have, there's always a variety that will use a lot less water than what you would normally use. So we'll get to several points in that regard. And you can lead unless you get up to about 3 points on saving water.
Some of the aspects of this project incorporating LEED are heavily integrated on the inside of the building with energy efficiency and building envelope systems. On the exterior, we also employ sewage treatment systems that are above standard. We also have stormwater management and water quality that is above standard. All of which in a park setting are below grade or out of sight, out of mind, and very conscious of the surroundings. This project has a view that is unmatched in the valley.